Thibitarĩ ya Olenguruni ĩrĩa ĩrĩ gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa mbunge gĩa Kuresoi ya mũhuro kaunti-inĩ ya Nakuru ĩgĩte na mĩhang'o mĩingĩ ĩkĩamũkĩra arwaru kuma itũra rĩa Tirgoi. Aya nĩ amwe a arĩa mararĩire nyama ya ng'ombe nguũ ĩrĩa kũrerĩkana ndagĩtarĩ wa mahiũ ekĩrĩte mũkana ndĩkarĩyo.
Kuna watu anakunywa pombe, anakuja kukata hiyo ng'ombe na kupeleka kwa vijiji kwa pale anakunywa pombe na kukula hiyo ng'ombe.
Ile kijiji sio wabaya, lakini watu litokana na hii ilikuwa nasungusha na ile watu anakunywa kwa pombe. Akachukua hii manyama akaenda kuuza kwa watu ile na tengeneza majanga.
I'm urging the people wherever they are, either even within Nakuru County or outside Nakuru County, not to eat any meat which has not been certified by the healthy people, because you may not know even that the dead cow might have been sick.
Andũ 18 nĩo mambire gũkinyio thibitarĩ mbere ya mũngũrũrio wa atongoria itũra wa kũrutũrũra arĩa mararĩte nyama ĩyo.
And 38 of those people who ate were rushed to Olenguruni sub-district hospitals. Those were a total of 38 clients. Those who were admitted were 20. Those who are serious but are in stable conditions, there are two. Two already have been discharged. The oldest among those ones are 64 years and the youngest is at 2 months.
Commissioner wa gĩcigo gĩa Kuresoi ya mũhuro Beatrice Bikeyo nĩ ekĩrĩte mũkonde gũkuo gwa kamwana kamwe ka ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 11 gagĩkwĩrwo gakuĩte thutha wa kũrĩa nyama ĩyo.
Doctors, pongezi sana. And the response of the villagers, those who managed to mobilize the vehicles in our area MB for assisting us with a number of vehicles who where people were brought to the hospital.
Ile alikula ameleta hapa yote na hiyo ilikuwa na sambaza yote ameleta hapa, na kuna mtoto mmoja ameaga dunia.
Watu ile nakula nyama ile na kuva awache hiyo mtindo, kwa sababu hiyo mtindo hiyo ni mbaya, kwa sababu hiyo mang'ombe imekupa sijui iko mgonjwa umekuja, sijui ni hiyo mgonjwa ni ya nini.
Arĩa marĩ thibitarĩ marĩ na dalili cia kũharwo, gũtahĩka na gũturwo nĩ nda.
Our main measure now is to save the lives. This history now, we are going to send the health workers down in the village to find out what happened, what was the cause, what was it a cow or was it what, to ascertain, because we don't want to say anything now to preempt what we don't know.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.